Is that what you want to do on this case? Okay, we can just spend your time. You're on a contingency. Let's do it. Let's go all day. We'll go all day on this case. Let's do it. Go ahead, talk. Just talk. Go. Talk. Let's hear it.
When she's answering the question, you need to let her answer, not cut her off.
No, there's a point at which where I can say, I asked a yes or no question. You don't need to keep talking. I can do that. Everybody knows that. It's fair to do. I've been super patient. She just keeps saying, as I've said, I can't give you a number. I'm not asking for a specific number. I'm asking for a range. And I'm being really polite. So let's just keep doing this.
Counsel, you have not been polite.
I am polite. I'm the most polite man who's ever existed in a situation like this.
You started off polite.
No, I am polite. You guys are both, you know that you have forensic evidence of everything she's saying that is a lie. So if you want to keep pursuing this case and you want me to be polite, let's do it. You're on a contingency. I don't care. Let's go. Let's move forward.
We're gonna take a break at this time for lunch because you're out of control. I'm not gonna put my client.
I am out of control. Wait until we go in front of a jury. I'm going to defense this, and I'm going to get my costs back because we're sending you something today because this is a frivolous case. Bye.